Hello and welcome back to English Vibes, your calm, slow-paced space to listen, repeat, and grow in English one sentence at a time. I'm Paul, and today I will guide you through practical English for daily life. Simple, real, everyday English you can use anywhere. In this lesson, I will speak slowly. I will repeat ideas. I will give you natural sentences that you can copy, shadow, and use immediately in real conversations. Think of this as your daily English workout. Just listen, relax, and repeat after me whenever you want. Let's begin. Morning is the perfect time to practice English. Your mind is fresh. Your day is just starting. And even 5 minutes of English can change your whole day. Let's practice real morning English you can use every single day. I'll say a sentence. You repeat it in your mind or out loud, just like shadowing. Ready?
I wake up and check the time. Repeat. I stretch a little before getting out of bed. Repeat. I walk to the bathroom and wash my face. Repeat. I brush my teeth slowly. Repeat. I take a shower to wake up. Repeat. I get dressed and choose something comfortable. Repeat. I make a simple breakfast. Repeat. I usually drink tea or coffee in the morning. Repeat. I check my messages before leaving the house. Repeat. I take a deep breath and start my day with a positive mind. Repeat. Very good. Now listen to a short, simple morning story. Shadow each sentence after me. I usually wake up around 7 o'clock. Repeat. I open my eyes slowly and sit up in bed. Repeat. I walk to the bathroom and wash my face with cold water. Then I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. After that, I take a quick shower because it helps me feel awake. Repeat. I put on clean clothes and go to the kitchen. Repeat. I make breakfast, usually toast and a cup of coffee. Repeat. While eating, I check my phone and look at my plan for the day. Repeat. Before leaving, I take my bag and make sure I have everything. Then I step outside and begin my day. Repeat. Great work. Your morning English is getting stronger. Afternoon English is important because this is when most people work, study, travel, or interact with others. And that means you need practical sentences you can use with coworkers, classmates, customers, or even strangers. I go back to my work after lunch. Repeat. Sometimes I feel a little sleepy in the afternoon. Repeat. I check my emails and reply to the important ones. Repeat. I usually have a meeting or a class in the afternoon. Repeat. I try to stay focused on my tasks. Repeat. I drink water or tea to stay refreshed. Repeat. I take a short break when I feel tired. Repeat. Sometimes I go for a quick walk to get fresh air. Repeat. I finish my work step by step, one task at a time. Repeat. I try to stay calm even when I'm busy. Repeat. Great job. Your daily English is improving sentence by sentence. These are practical sentences you can use with people around you. At work or in class. Can you repeat that, please? Repeat. I didn't understand the last part. Repeat. Let me check and get back to you. Repeat. I'll finish it as soon as possible. Repeat. Thank you for your help. Repeat. Asking for small help. Can you explain that one more time? Repeat. Is this correct? Repeat. Should I change anything? Repeat. Polite afternoon English. No rush, take your time. Repeat. Let me know if you need anything. Repeat. Excellent. These are real-day English phrases you can use anywhere. Now listen to a short story. Pause if you want to repeat slowly. After lunch, I usually return to my desk and check my messages. Repeat. I write a small to-do list for the afternoon. Repeat. Sometimes I have a video call with my team. Repeat. We talk about what we finished and what we need to do next. Repeat. In the middle of the afternoon, I take a small break. Repeat. I make a cup of tea and step outside for fresh air. Repeat. If I have free time, I study English for a few minutes. Repeat. I listen, repeat, and practice small phrases. Repeat. Before I finish work, I write a short summary of my day. Repeat. Then I pack my things and prepare to go home. Repeat. Well done. This is how you build smooth, everyday English. I will start a sentence. You finish it in your mind. In the afternoon, I usually. After lunch, I like to. When I feel tired, I. Before the afternoon ends, I always. This exercise helps you think in English, not translate. Right now we're shifting into a super useful zone, English for the workplace. If you work in an office, a shop, a hotel, a call center, anywhere, these sentences will help you speak clearly and confidently. Let's jump in. Here are some sentences for starting your day smoothly. Good morning. How's everything going? Let me know if you need any help today. What's on the agenda? I'll get started right away. I'll finish this and update you. In professional environments, the way we ask questions matters. Try these polite and effective lines. Could you explain that one more time? Can you share the details with me? I just want to confirm. Did you mean this? When is the deadline for this? Can we discuss this briefly? Here are gentle, respectful ways to communicate when your schedule is full. I'm in the middle of something right now. I'll get back to you in a few minutes. Can we talk about this later today? Let me complete this task first. I'll prioritize this. Meetings can feel stressful. Here are smart sentences that help you sound confident and professional. Let's stay on track. I'd like to add something. That's a great point. Can we clarify the next steps? Let's summarize what we decided. Owning your work is a big plus. These lines help you sound responsible and reliable. I'll handle it. Leave it to me. I'm working on it. I'll make sure it's done correctly. I appreciate the feedback. And to wrap up your workday professionally, use these. Is there anything needed before?
And now we're moving into a super useful part, travel English. If you travel for work, study, vacation, or even dream of traveling one day, these sentences will help you communicate clearly and confidently. Let's get started. Airports can feel overwhelming, especially in English-speaking countries. Here are simple, clear sentences you can use. Where is the check-in counter? I'd like to check in for my flight. Is my flight on time? Where is the boarding gate? How long is the security line? Can you help me with this form? And here are survival phrases for tricky moments. I think my bag is missing. I need assistance. Who can I speak to about this? Once you're on the plane, these sentences make communication easy and polite. Could I have some water, please? Can I get an extra blanket? Is there a vegetarian meal option? Excuse me, can I switch seats? How long is the flight? Now let's move to hotel English. Very useful for check-in, asking for help, or solving problems. Check-in sentences. I have a reservation. Could I see the room first? Is breakfast included? What time is checkout? Can I get a room with a view? If you need help. My keycard isn't working. The Wi-Fi is not connecting. Can you send someone to fix this? Do you have extra towels? Is there a taxi service available? Here are simple, travel-friendly sentences to help you find your way around. How do I get to the city center? Is this bus going to the station? Where can I buy a ticket? How much is the fare? Can you drop me here, please? And if you're lost, don't worry, just use these. I'm not from here. Can you show me on the map? Which direction should I go? Food is the best part of traveling. Here's how to order politely. Could I see the menu, please? What do you recommend? I'll have this one. Can we get the bill? Is this spicy?
if something goes wrong. This isn't what I ordered. Could you replace this, please? I'm allergic to this ingredient. Travel is also about connecting with people. Try these friendly, comfortable small talk phrases. Is this your first time here? Where are you from? How long are you staying? What do you recommend doing here? It was lovely talking to you. All right, my friend, that's it for today's episode of Practical English for Daily Life. Learn while you listen. You did amazing. You listened, you repeated, you learned, and you practiced real English you can use every single day. If you enjoyed this lesson, and if it helped you speak a little more confidently, then don't forget to do 3 small things that really support this channel. Like the video. Share it with someone who's learning English. And subscribe for more slow, clear lessons just like this. Your support helps me make more content for you every week. Thank you for being here, thank you for learning with me, and I'll see you in the next episode. Take care, bye for now.